about the ads and the name. I don't want anyone, so don't worry about that. Another thing that I'm working on that's related to Roblox is I'm going to start streaming on Twitch a lot more. Until I start up, I don't want anyone fighting this until I start uploading. Guys, if you find this before I start uploading, that's just crazy.